Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to stop Avast pop-ups. So let's get started. Open the Avast Antivirus program on your computer. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the menu icon located in the top right corner of the Avast interface. Within the settings menu, click on notifications. Here you will find various notification options. To stop specific types of pop-ups, uncheck the boxes related to those notifications. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.